promised, finally, I am taking you for a tour of my studio. Come on in, follow me. Welcome to my beautiful studio, which is everything. It's the place I create, it's the place I film, and yeah, welcome to my mess. This is where I spend most of my time creating and crocheting. I love those chairs. I will put everything that I can in info where to purchase things in the info box down below. But this is the corner. I sit there. I actually don't watch TV. I just look at my computer and I watch YouTube basically. This is one of the yarn storages that my husband built for me. You see how the ceiling is slanted, so I couldn't really buy something that would fit all the way from the bottom to the top. So since he's an amazing handyman, he just created two of them, one on one side of the windows and another one on the other side. It is really cool because I can put the yarn that I want to display. I think that those colors are so beautiful. I love to display yarn everywhere I can. And this is, those are my lamps. This is where I film my hands. When you see my hands with a white background, I just basically stand there and I put my crochet over the camera, and that's the way I film. And this is my background that you might recognize where I film my videos. You don't see all the mess, of course, when you see just that corner of my studio. And this beautiful furniture there was custom made by a carpenter for me. And again, it is amazing because I just could take advantage of all the space around the window. So you see how he made just followed the slant of the ceiling, and I designed it with him. He's just an amazingly talented carpenter. And then the table, the big workspace here that you see, was made by my husband again. I told him exactly what I wanted, and he built it from scratch. So it's pretty amazing because I asked him to do storage all around the table, the surface of the work table, for more storage of yarn, or since I do bullet journaling in one of the stations there, one side is just for bullet journaling. And then I'm trying to keep that workspace as open as I can, but I have here a backpack for you guys that I'm working on. It will be on my channel very soon. How gorgeous. Here is one of the giveaways that we have right now on Instagram for you. And then in another corner, more yarn. Surprise, surprise. And those are basically cotton yarn and spring yarn with very thin yarn also. And this storage unit is actually from Pottery Barn Kids. I think you can still find it. It's their classic one. And here is the station where I have all the packages that are ready to be sent, all the giveaways that are ready to be sent, or things from my Shopify store. And it is super white outside. Look how pretty it is. It snowed yesterday, so it's like a winter wonderland outside. And so here is the one of the corners with all my yarn. There's this mainly Barocco yarn with my advent calendars. Since it is December, I have 3 of them. I'm a beauty addict. And then here I have all the props that I use in the spring, the summer, the winter. I like to change the background for you so you do not get too bored. And here it is. So since it's Hanukkah and Christmas soon, this is the background that I am filming for you. This is the second one of the storage that my husband created for me with some more yarns. Do you see what I mean when I do not need to buy more yarn and I keep doing hauls? And you don't see it, but there's a big window there. I don't know what's going on. Oh, here we go. So here is another window, and that is one of the things that I love about this studio, is that there is plenty of light. This is all your mails, guys, all the things that you send me, the grannies that keep on coming for Daniela's blanket, which we will be talking about in the next year. More boxes with plenty of yarn. And here I just wanted to show you, this is some of my scissors from my antique scissors collection. And I put them on that little thing that I found, I think, at AC Moore. And so let's take you to my drawers, and I will open randomly a drawer and show you what's in it quickly. So that's my favorite drawer. It has all my crochet hooks, all the sets, all the different brands. Yeah, it's a little messy. I hope you will forgive me. This one is the lighted one, and yeah. So in the second drawer, I have my bullet journaling material with stickers. Also, you see how I need to organize myself. And here are the beads and shells, anything that I can use for beads with my crochet. In this drawer, I have handles. Yeah, I know. I have so many of them. I could make hundreds and hundreds of bags. I have bamboo handles, leather handles, and hold on, it's not the end. Don't judge me. Another one. Oh my goodness. I know you have a problem. This is something that I purchased when I was in Hawaii. It has Hawaiian shells in it, and then we have some guitar band or different kind of handles, pieces of leather. This is the bottom of a bag that I purchased on Amazon, which I'm going to use in one of my next tutorials. And right there, I have all my candles. I love candles. And there was one candle and pom-poms, one candle that I really liked, and I bought all of them because it was being discontinued. I love candles, I don't know about you, and then here I have bits and bobs, mainly stitch markers and tiny little things that I put here in this drawer. In the next one, I have things, materials, hardware for making bags. And then in this one, I have also bits and bobs, dry flowers, who knows why. But yeah, and then you see right there at the bottom of my workspace, I put some yarn. Those are fancy yarns that I don't use often. And yes, and at the bottom of the workplace that my husband built for me, I bought those beautiful baskets. They're metal. I think I had bought them at Restoration Hardware. I think I will try to find it. It was such a long time ago. But yeah, there is more yarn in it. And yeah, here is my studio for you guys. And I always have a candle burning there. And this is my little piece of heaven. Well, that is it, my friends. This is the studio. This is where all the magic happens. This is where I spend most of my time, most of my days, and I love it. Love everything about it. Oh, and this beautiful light fixture is from Restoration Hardware as well. I love it, love it, love it. And yes, so see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed this. Next time will be a crochet tutorial in the next year. I wish you all happy holidays, whatever you are celebrating, and a very happy new year. I will see you next year in 2020 for a new tutorial this time. In the meantime, kisses and love you. Bye.